Wales, a country no more than the size of a thimble. Blink and you might miss its beautiful sights on the map. But a nation nevertheless whose pride shines bright, with history steeping more than 1,000 years or so. What with their Calon lands and Yma heaths and that green grass of home, the Welsh are true Welsh, who never wander too far from their homeland. Well, that's not entirely true. Welcome to the Madog Centre for Welsh Studies. Located in the midst of one of the largest Welsh settlements in North America, the Madog Centre for Welsh Studies has established a resource centre which helps to support its mission. In this endeavour, the centre is unique in the United States and Canada. As part of the University of Rio Grande, our mission is to foster understanding and appreciation for Welsh heritage and contemporary Welsh culture.
In June of 1997, we developed the Madog Center for Welsh Studies. Dr. Megan Lloyd was the first director of the studies, the Welsh Studies program. I came in 2005 as the 5th director, and I have been here ever since. And I am a proud Welsh American, and this is a wonderful job for me.
Here are some of the things we do here at the centre. We work closely with the Welsh American Heritage Museum in Oak Hill, providing support in preserving the mountain of history within its walls. Eisteddfod presentations at local Jackson schools, the only schools in North America who still hold an Eisteddfod. Come along to see our fantastic library where you can research your family history and genealogy. The Davis Internship Programme was established in 1998 by Evan and Elizabeth Davis in order to bring the Welsh dynamic to the Madog Centre. And here's a few more things we do. Rio's Welsh Wall and Flags, immigration research, and be sure to visit the commemorative Welsh plaque in downtown Gallipolis. Prince Madog, our Welsh prince who sailed the seas and discovered America. Well, as legend has it. Participation at the annual North American Festival of Wales. The annual Gymanfagani, alternatively held at the Welsh Museum, Mariah and Tyn Ross. Drive along the Welsh Byway and you will stop at Welsh businesses, churches and settlements. And last but not least, our Welsh Exchange Programme. Every year, we aim to send up to 6 students in the fall to study for a semester at Trinity St David's University, Carmarthen, where we hold a true exchange programme.
It's an opportunity to broaden your view on yourself and the rest of the world by taking part in an exchange like this. And what we found is that the students who go, every single one that I've been involved with since it started, has said that it has been a life-changing experience. It changed their perspective of who they were as a person, opinion of how other parts of the world live and react to Americans.
It expanded my views, and I was very small town country girl. I never really left, and then I did. I realized the world is really big, and I didn't know it was that big. But it's also kind of small because everybody's like good, happy people, just like everywhere.
Coming from the other side, in my opinion, everyone benefits because it's wonderful having the students from Wales come and become a part of our campus. It's been a wonderful, wonderful experience all the way around. So I highly recommend any student who's considering the opportunity to participate to definitely do that. They add a tremendous dimension to our campus. And considering the fact that the largest population in the past have been performing arts students, we gain a great deal as well from their talent and their personalities and their outgoing nature. Asking the question, what has this exchange done for you? And they will all invariably say, it has changed my life.
definitely go back. I wish that I could just be there all the time.
If you would like any further information on the Madog Centre or on the many activities we take part in, please don't hesitate to get in touch.